Nothing is impossible. Even the word says itself, I am possible. Hello everyone, happy evening. My name is Devang and I'm a participant of English speaking and personality grooming program at IICS. Thank you sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Today I am going to tell you that how a Hindi medium student can learn English. I am from Revatada, Jalore, and I'm a Hindi medium student. So I am the live example in front of you that how a Hindi medium student can speak in English. I will say by the right guidance of Shrikant sir and methods of IICS, I can speak in English with confidence. So we will start with the challenges. That what are the challenges that a Hindi medium student faces? The first challenge is fear of speaking. They think that what will people think if they made mistake? They think they will laugh. That's why they don't even speak. The second is limited vocabulary. We can't express ourselves with limited words. Same with Hindi medium students. They feels like they don't have enough words to express themselves. The third is grammar confusion. By grammatical confusion, we feel nervous, and that's why the confidence will go down. But guys, every problem has solution. To overcome these fears, learn 5 to 7 new words daily. If you learn 5 to 7 new words daily and make sentences and use the words in sentences and conversation, you will never forget this. Like you learn a new word, consistency. Then make a sentence that consistency is key to success. Then just talk about this. Like you go with your friend and just say, you know friend, consistency is key to success. Trust me, you will never forget the word. And the next is listening and reading. Listening is the mother of all skills. Listen to English songs, English news, watch English movies with subtitle. It will increase your understanding in English and correction of pronunciation. By reading, you will understand the English structure. You can read English articles, you can read short stories. By this, you will learn English. But if you want to learn English very fast, then I will give you 2 techniques. The first is confidence. Speak with confidence. Anything you want to speak, just speak with confidence. Don't fear of mistakes. Mistakes are the part of learnings. Just speak and don't think that like I'm mistaking or anything. Just speak. Then the second thing is very powerful technique is think in English. Usually Hindi medium student think in Hindi and translate it into English, and it takes time and breaks the whole fluency. For overcome this, think in English. Instead of thinking mujhe pani chahiye, you can think I want water. It will, if you do this, English will come naturally to you. So think in English. And the last I want to say, if you practice with confidence, you will achieve success. Practice English with confidence, without fearing any mistakes, that yes I can. Then you will learn English. So by listening to English, by reading English, by speaking English, and there is one more factor. I will give you an example. Our coach Shrikant sir, a person, he did MA in Sanskrit and now a great coach of English. How? It's all about believing in yourself. You have to believe in yourself that yes, I can speak in English. So will you speak in English? Yes, will you speak in English? Yes, that's the spirit. So believe in yourself. Never stop yourself. If something is stopping you, don't think about that. Just go on. Initiate that. Yes, I will think in English. I will speak in English. And that's how you will become a fluent English speaker. Thank you so much.